A Sunfura was established with one goal to accelerate the adoption of fully distributed renewable energy, requires a radical transformation and decentralization of the world's energy systems. That is basically a Sunfura main goal. Today I am going to tell you each and everything regarding the XCF, the Sunfura platform, and also about the trading of XCF token. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. First of all, how Sunfura will work. That is basically a main theme of any token, that how the token will basically utilize up. So first of all, how Sunfura will work. Sunfura will invest in and operate its own physical assets for energy production and delivery, enabling assets for energy production and delivery. You can say enabling the rapid adoption of the Sunfura platform and the Sunfura token. Sunfura will maintain a qualified global pipeline of development for over 2 gigawatt of capacity. That is the main key of Sunfura platform. Right now, what is the Sunfura token, XCF token? Replaces fiat currency as the medium of the exchange for energy and energy-based goods and services within the Sunfura platform, and optionally between Sunfura and its partners. That is basically the XCF token. Here you can see it by yourself. XCF token currently trades publicly on the Bilex exchange. As I told you above, that you can basically trade this token directly on the Bilex exchange at this time in 3 different pairs. Here you can find it out in the BTC, Ethereum, and in USDT pair. You can buy this coin directly from the Bilex exchange. And secondly, you can see it, the main thing, that on the privately, basically it is basically going to trade on the Sunfura platform. Right now it is basically happening that you will be able to hold this token on the main mobile app, and it is entirely easy for you to trade the XCF token on the personal mobile app, and you can download the app on the Google Play Store and also on the App Store. Now the best thing about the Sunfura exchange. Here you can see it by yourself. Initially XCF is traded in our invitation only private exchange. The Sunfura will list the token for public trading as energy assets. Onboarding process is started. Exchange has 2 separated functions. Qualified investors may buy and sell tokens in private exchange, and all assets will buy automatically needed tokens needed tokens from the private exchange. Thus exchange acts also as key component for streamlining financial transactions within the ecosystem. It means that the Sunfura ecosystem, the entire platform, is already using XCF tokens, and also you can buy this token directly from the Bilex exchange. You have both the options, that if you want to trade anything privately, so you can directly go towards the app, mobile app, and you can basically directly trade XCF tokens on the mobile app, or even you can use it on the laptop or your desktop just by signing up on this platform. So it is entirely easy. Here you can see something more and very interesting. The XCF token is utilized by all the you can say the entire you can say the entire platform, the renewable energy assets. So, for example, you can say the solar panels, windmills, batteries. So when power is generated, it is converted to XCF tokens in US dollars to standardize the price of the asset produced. Whenever the new things like the solar panels, windmills, and batteries will basically produce the power, that will be basically converted to XCF tokens in US dollars. So that will basically help the XCF token to raise the price. So it is such a great idea regarding the Sunfura platform. So here you can also see the entire white paper of the Sunfura, where they basically wrote each and everything regarding the Sunfura platform and also about the XCF token. Here you can see it by yourself. Energy is essential in all almost every aspect of our daily lives. And for the success of local and global for local and global economies, energy supply through the electric grid has historically been concentrated in large top-down organizations attempting to service a broad array of customers with varied needs. Electricity has long been generated in huge quantities in huge fossil fuel based centralized power plants and then you can say transmitted in a one way flow from these few sources to users anywhere. That is basically the theme. Here you can see something very interesting regarding this platform. Here you must have to read each and everything in the white paper, because in the white paper they tell each and everything regarding the energy and how basically the XCF price will increase. Here you can see it by yourself. The Sunfura platform features a complete transactive energy TE trading system integrated with new technologies for real-time control of distributed renewable energy. The Sunfura platform also includes support for the Sunfura token, symbol XCF, as I told you again and again that right now it is available on the Bilex exchange, which is used to streamline financial transactions. The deployment of Sunfura platform's TE function allows for fully decentralized real-time buying and selling of renewable energy. That if you want to buy the energy from the Sunfura, you can buy that one energy with the help of XCF token. Or for example, if you are basically using the main energy source for the main energy source from the Sunfura, then you can buy that one from the XCF even. So it is entirely easy with that. At the same time, its new technologies for maintaining the reliability of the grid allows the mix of renewable energy sources to increase all the way up to 100%. And with the introduction of the XCF token, millions of people across the globe who have been systematically excluded by traditional financial methods and banking systems will now have access to self-directed energy services. So it means whenever, wherever you are, you can utilize these main services and also these energy services with the help of XCF token. So it is such a great thing that for example, you are not from Asia, you are from the Europe or anywhere, you can utilize these whole services very easily. Here you can see it by yourself. Sunfura will invest in and operate its own physical assets for energy production and delivery, enabling rapid adoption of the Sunfura platform and the Sunfura token. Sunfura will maintain a qualified global pipeline of development for over 2 gigawatt of capacity. That is such a great thing regarding this platform. So if you like my video, kindly hit the like button, and if you like this platform, you must have to ask each and everything regarding it. If you have any type of questions, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can directly go towards the social media links of this platform and you can ask whatever you want to ask from the team. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.